How should a good marriage be?
I think respect is paramount, right? Ups and downs तो होते ही हैं यार हर रिश्ते में.
Becoming a better husband with time?
My wife would disagree.
I feel that for myself also. Like the intention is to be the best possible husband.
Yeah, that's that's the goal.
Yeah, but you never know how time kind of unfolds that intention. I guess it's like having that intention every day. Waking
Yeah,
up with it.
every relationship is a constant work in progress. Every relationship, ये नहीं हो सकता कि दोस्तों की भी अगर हम बात करें तो दोस्ती निभानी भी पड़ती है, राइट? एंड वन लाइफ इज टू short to commit all the mistakes yourself.
I hear a lot of older women, especially, using the term shadi nibhana. Beyond loyalty, I'm not even asking about loyalty. But what does shadi nibhana mean?
It's a constant work in progress, यार. मतलब of whatever I understand.
Pouring energy, love.
Energy, effort, I think in all possible ways that you can. और वो हर रिश्ते में है, राइट? इट्स नॉट जस्ट अगर आप एक रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप की बात कर रहे हो या कंपेनियनशिप की बात कर रहे हो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट romance, it's not just about those candlelight dinners, and I think it's so much of work, especially after marriage. I think building a life together, wanting to empower each other, trying to be your own best version firstly, and then empowering the other person to be their best version, and building a good life together, raising a good family together. और वो हर रिश्ते में नहीं है. आई थिंक इट्स इन एवरी रिलेशनशिप. इफ यू एंड आई आर फ्रेंड्स टुमारो एंड इफ यू कॉल मी होम, यू एक्सटेंड योर वार्म इन्विटेशन टू मी, एक बार नहीं आया, 2 बार नहीं आया, 3 बार नहीं आया, चौथी बार तुम नहीं बुलाओगे मुझे, राइट?
I just feel like when you're sharing a room with someone,
अ लाइफ, not just a room, a life.
a life. Yeah.
Yeah,
A life.
a life.
It's a different dynamic than even what you shared with your parents.
Absolutely.
So that's honestly what scares a lot of men about commitment. Suna hai ye?
Of course. Maybe I was also commitment phobic at some point, maybe when I was 21, 22. But I always wanted to sort of, have a family, build a family. Yeah. So when I met the right person, I was not commitment phobic.
What else contributes to commitment phobia? Like, so I think
I don't know. Maybe freedom, right? There are and to each their own. But no one's right, no one's wrong. There are so many friends of mine who are married, never wanted kids, don't have kids.
dink,
What is
double income, no kids.
Oh wow. Oh, okay. ये सब भी है. तो हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
Right?
या तो उनको उनका वर्ल्ड व्यू वैसा है, तो गुड फॉर देम.
After your son was born, I'm sure it changed your life in 100 different ways.
Not just after he was born, it's actually the entire 9 months of pregnancy that change you.
Yeah? Let's talk about the 9-month change also.
बहुत चीज़ें बदलती हैं, the amount of respect that I have gained for my wife and just life basically, my parents. I mean, अब मुझे इस बात का एहसास होता है कि how they were or what they would have been when they were raising 2 kids with severe challenges, and they were great parents.
Yeah, without having had a kid yet, I feel like it's the single most personality shifting moment in a person's life.
I read this quote somewhere, I don't know by who. It was something on the lines of, you haven't realized the true depths of your heart. The true depths of your heart if you've not had your child. It's a different kind of love. That it's something else. It's the closest to God, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even during those 9 months of pregnancy that we were talking about, to see Sheetal, and I've known Sheetal for more than 10 years now. We've been together for more than 10 years. And to see that little girl sort of, to see her belly grow day by day, to sort of, she went through, I think, 30 hours of labor. 30 hours. I mean, women endure a lot. I mean,
There's probably no male equivalent of
nothing.
the experiences of being
Nothing. There is nothing that can sort of even come close to it.
Give me older guy perspective here, okay? And I might be wrong about this. I feel like after I have kids, I will have a much larger purpose,
Yeah,
which
I agree.
which will help me get past these mental table
Hiccups.
tennis problems.
Hiccups.
And I like that proposition. I like that thought.
I to advise companionship to people. I think it's the greatest thing one can have. You know, man is a social animal. हमने standard 1 में पढ़ा है ये. We all need people around us.
Yeah.
And if you found your right, then you should cherish it, treasure it.
Yeah.
And I definitely believe the quote that I spoke of. I think you've not realized the true depths of your heart until you've had your own child.
Do you ever think of your child's long-term future, like when they're 25 and you're old, or
नहीं
do you
यार.
not? No.
नहीं. You know, everything is so transient. अब क्या पता
So
कुछ भी हो.
there's no project Mbappe.
No, not at all. Not at all. Not
मैं
at all.
project Mbappe करूँगा. Whether it's a guy or a
Hey,
girl.
that's too much pressure on that little
I
being.
will make the kid do push-ups, sit-ups.
हाँ वो तो चलो गुड हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है, फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है, बट प्रोजेक्ट एम्बापे ये नहीं है कि 2 साल की उम्र में उसको घिसा घिसा के फुटबॉल प्लेयर बनाना है.
Why not? India needs football.